So you're looking for a product that saves you time and money? You've stopped by the right place. Check this out. Introducing Big Wipes ProPlus Heavy Duty. This is carbon black silicone. Feared by the trades as one of the worst things to get on your hands, your tools, or your surfaces. But we're not done there. This is oil-based trade high gloss paint. Another nasty thing. Wait, mechanical grease. Black graphite grease. What if we got some of the dreaded PU foam out in the hairs of my arm? Now you'd really struggle to get this stuff off. So what's the solution? Big Wipes ProPlus Heavy Duty. I take one of my textured antiviral wipes out of the tub and put the textured side onto the area that we want to clean. Immediately, the fabric and the 4 high quality cleaning solvents within the solution start to lift and absorb that grime off my hand. Time is money, so how's this for time? The wipes are antiviral. They'll kill viruses, but they're also antibacterial, so they can help to combat a range of nasties. They're completely dermatologically tested to the highest safety standards, so they contain 0 parabens or artificial preservatives. We almost forgot about the dreaded PU foam, and that's the beauty of the Big Wipes. I can take the same dirty wipe and use it again and again without redepositing that muck, thanks to our closed cell technology. Eliminating snagging lists, increasing work productivity while staying safe and clean. Big Wipes, your hands are safe in ours.